So this is now our two-piece, my favorite mom jeans. This denim jacket that I also love. Okay, not as much as I love the pants, but we are trying to create this into a one piece. So let me just fit this and have you see what I want it to turn out into. And voila, this is what it's gonna be like. It's actually beautiful and it's not pinned down altogether. So let's do this. So let's get to work. I'm removing the waistband of the jacket before attaching it to the pants, just to reduce the heftiness of the fabric already, because the denim is already a hard and heavy fabric. So removing that, then attaching to the pants and pinning it down just to keep it in place. Okay, removing the waistband was a little bit tricky because I don't have a seam ripper, but I was using a razor. So let's just rip it up. Yes, that's it, girl. You're almost there. When you're done removing that, we are attaching the jacket to the pants and just pinning it in place with my safety pins. Pinning the two together makes it easier for sewing. Okay, and that's the end result after removing the waistband. So let's pin it down and we can continue with the rest. First off, I'm in the sun now. Look at me smiling. I'm just loving it already and I'm not done yet. If you couldn't tell, I am really excited about this one. I am most definitely going to slay this in town. If you meet me in town wearing this, please say hi. Say hi to me. So I'm using my safety pins, as I said earlier, to pin the two together. It's a long process, but the end result, it's really worth it. Okay, so it's time to let the machine do the magic and just sew everything in place. And as I had said earlier, the fabric is thick and heavy, so make sure to go slowly, because I didn't know that at the end of it the machine started acting up. So just make sure to go slow and steady. Slow and steady. Let the machine do the magic and wait for the end result size. In other news, well, I'm at a point in my life where I'm in a peaceful place, and in a beautiful relationship with God. I am growing spiritually, mentally, and physically. I mean, who wouldn't be glad to be in that place? God has been great. I mean, I'm just inspired by the way God has had my back in my darkest moments, and even in my light moments. He has always been there for me. I am contented. It's a fulfilling relationship that I want to stay in forever. We all need Jesus in our lives. With everything going on in the world right now, you have to accept God as your savior. For real though, this is something that we should be talking about, right? This is our end result, guys, after sewing the jacket onto the pants. This is our jumpsuit. But if you know me, you know I like drama. So you remember those babies that we cut from the arms and the waistband? We're going to use that onto the pants. So I'll be putting the arms just onto the leg part of the pants, on both of them. Make sure to attach the pieces on the same point. Like you can measure, you can use a tape measure just to measure, to make sure that they are attached to the same point, so that you don't have one leg a bit longer than the other. So let's just attach everything into place, then we'll sew it and we'll see what happens next. no pieces left behind. Yeah, so after pinning down every tiny piece from the jacket onto the pants, I decided, what the hell, let me create an accessory for this jumpsuit. So I'm going to be creating a belt, of course, with this deep blue denim fabric that I have. It's from another jacket that I had, and I cut it into pieces and made something else. So I'll be cutting this into 4 pieces, then attach them together to create a long belt that will be used to be tied around the jumpsuit just to accentuate the waist. So let's do this. You actually don't have to use the belt if you don't want to, but I love belts. I just love the way the belts bring some drama to the outfit and accentuating the body figure. So just bear with me. After cutting everything up and pinning it in place again, I did the sewing off camera and it turned out beautiful. Next is a video of my jumpsuits, completely DIY by me, the Nikesta. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all and see you next time.